I'm Doug Sells, Vice President, General Manager at Quantum. Quantum was founded in 2001 and is based in Tempe, Arizona. We have grown to provide professional engineering and integration services for a variety of automation applications. Quantum has been very heavily involved in the water and wastewater industry since our inception in 2001. But since that time, we've expanded to delivering solutions and supporting transportation, food and beverage, and semiconductor industries as well. We are open to supporting any industry that has process control needs. One of our key differentiators is that we also extend our services to include professional engineering and design, allowing us to not only design and develop standards, but also provide consulting and inspection services to all industries as well. We believe we offer a unique perspective as our engineering design solutions are influenced by our integration expertise and manufacturer training opportunities. Another differentiator is the footprint that Quantum has. While our principal location has been Tempe, Arizona, we have provided integration and engineering solutions across several states in the West, Southwest, and Midwest. We currently hold professional engineering licensure in 12 states and counting. Our mindset has allowed us to develop close relationships with our partners and customers. Our guiding principles of innovation, integrity, and excellence serve as our compass when we work on any project, regardless of size or complexity. Our customers can expect to work with professional, experienced, and humble engineers and associates who have a customer-focused mindset and are driven to provide results and successful outcomes. Our dedication to going the extra mile to see things completed has helped bring repeat customers who trust us to deliver high-quality and cost-effective solutions that meet their unique needs. Our partnership with Rockwell Automation benefits our customers in several ways. As a recognized systems integrator with Rockwell Automation, we have the industry and system expertise to design, build, install, maintain, and support automation solutions that meet our customers' needs. We constantly maintain a high level of competency with Rockwell products, which enables us to deliver the best possible outcomes with the least amount of risk for our customers.